Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Patriot Bank, which is the best Patriot Bank loan product for home buyers. Finding the best loan product isn't about finding the most popular one. It's about finding the best fit for your financial situation. When I was looking into Patriot Bank for my first home, I quickly learned that the best loan depends entirely on the buyer. Here's a quick breakdown of what they typically offer and how to decide. Conventional loans. If you have a strong credit score, think 680 or higher, and a solid employment history, a conventional loan is often your best bet. My experience, I went with a conventional 30-year fixed-rate mortgage. Why? Because my credit was good, and I could manage a down payment of 5% to 10%. The fixed rate gave me peace of mind that my principal and interest payment would never change. For me, that stability was the single most valuable feature. Conventional loans often have the most straightforward application process, and if you can put 20% down, you avoid private mortgage insurance (PMI), which save you a significant amount each month. Government-backed loans, FHA, VA, USDA. If your situation involves a lower down payment, a less than perfect credit score, or if you're a veteran, the government-backed options are fantastic and are heavily featured by lenders like Patriot Bank. FHA loans. These are insured by the Federal Housing Administration. They are ideal for first-time home buyers or those with lower credit scores, sometimes as low as 580, and a small down payment, often as low as 3.5%. The trade-off is that you'll pay a mortgage insurance premium, but the flexible qualification criteria can be a game changer for getting your foot in the door. VA loans. If you or your spouse are a military veteran or active service member, this is often the single best product available. They typically require no down payment and offer competitive interest rates. If you qualify for a VA loan, the savings are significant, and I always advise veterans to explore this first. USDA loans. These are for eligible properties in rural and some suburban areas, and also offer zero down payment options. This is a very specific loan, so you need to check if both you and the property qualify. The deciding factor. To find your best product, you must start with a pre-qualification. Patriot Bank's loan officers are the experts on their specific portfolio. My advice, based on my own process, is to bring 3 things to that first meeting. Your credit score. This immediately steers a conversation toward conventional or FHA/VA options. Your down payment savings. Knowing if you have 0%, 3.5%, 5%, or 20% drastically narrows the choices. Your debt-to-income DTI ratio. This ratio determines how much house you can truly afford. Patriot Bank offers all of these standard options, conventional, FHA, and VA, and sometimes offers their own unique programs, like down payment assistance in certain regions. The best loan product for a home buyer is always the one that matches the lowest rate and fees with the easiest qualification terms for their current financial snapshot. Don't be afraid to ask for a comparison of at least 2 options. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.